Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to refer a friend in the Indeed Flex application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the My Settings button, and at the General section look for the Refer a Friend button. And as you can see here, you can read about this program, this offer, and if you share your code, then you can receive money by completing different tasks that you can read here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.